Hello.
Hello.
We haven't done a video for a very long time because it's been quite a tumultuous time for us. Although we did have a really good summer. So we opened later than we wanted to. Opened at the end of July, and August was almost completely fully booked. So we had a really good month in August.
Yep, August was great.
Yeah.
I don't think there was more than one day where we didn't have a tent or two tents booked up. So.
Yeah, it's good, really good. So we've got high hopes for next year, which is brilliant. We are we've been quite stressed. We've been getting used to running business, although we really enjoy that.
Yeah.
But our money's run out. So although we had a good August, that will sustain us until probably the end of September, maybe a bit more if we can string it out. But after that,
Yep.
we don't know. So we've been getting super stressed about that. Because there's no more bookings come in because the holidays are finished and all the children back at school, and most of our customers are people that holiday in the summer, and probably 70% of them were families. So either we change our target market or just accept that people are not holidaying now. So at the moment we're brainstorming about things we can do to get some money in, and things we want to do, because that's part of the reason we made this move, is to be in control of our lives a lot more.
Yeah. And not to be so stressed.
Yeah, that's not panning out that bit, but yeah, but it's gorgeous here at the moment. So, but that made me think as well about doing a late summer offer. I thought people, because it's been a bit of a wet summer, it's been a bit rubbish, but we're getting really nice weather now, and it's really hot. So I think some late summer offers for people that can go on holiday now would be a good idea.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Maybe like 2 nights, get 1 night free or something. Or
Maybe that.
maybe.
Yeah, we do want to make some money, but yep. Buy one get one free. Yeah, so that's pretty.
Buy 2 get 1 free.
That would be better.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I was talking about thinking of doing, because the weather won't be the only. You can't count on it so much now at this time of year, so it won't be the only draw. So I thought maybe we could have some fun and do some events and things to make people stay pleasant even if the weather's not great. We're toying the idea of having a celebration party, because although we're skint, we did have a really good August. And I think we should celebrate it. And I think celebrating that good energy is never a bad thing.
Yeah, that's true. And quite a few of our guests as well invited us for like an apéro and barbecues and things. So, and that's always quite nice to.
The camera's there, darling. Oh. Yeah, they did.
Yeah.
So you think people would enjoy having a party with us if they're staying here?
I think people would enjoy having a party with us.
Okay. Yeah. Dave's very stressed. He likes blaming me for his stress. It's not me. So yeah, and I like the idea of an open mic night, because Dave loves getting up and singing, but I don't think he's got the confidence to do like a proper gig. But it would be a really great way of inviting the locals round as well, because we still want to meet more people, don't we?
Yeah.
And we haven't met all of our neighbours yet, but they are quite far away, so I'll give us that. But we've been here nearly a year, so we should probably. But I was saying to you, open mic night would be really fun, but I'm not sure how you'd make money out of it.
Yeah, I'm not entirely sure. Maybe, like we were saying earlier, donations or stock up the bar. And
I think stocking up the bar might be the way to go. We like the idea of doing like barbecues and stuff as well, or putting on food, but the licensings, we're not sure what we're allowed to do there, and I'm not confident with that at the moment.
Mm.
I've had been given ideas as well about like running a brocante or having a market thing, because we've got space for it, but I don't think I've got the resources or the time to organise something like that at the moment. Maybe next year.
Yeah, maybe next year.
Yeah.
We'd have to do quite a lot of gardening.
Yeah, and we need to do that anyway. We need to get the we'll ask one of the farmers if they fancy having some hay, because I think it will work better if we clear the entire field and soon, and start growing again next year.
Yeah.
For the tall meadow.
Maybe if we do that soon, we can plant more things like poppies and.
Yeah, put some more wildflowers in. That'll be nice. I've forgotten what we were talking about now. Oh, different ideas. I had one, but it's gone out of my head. Oh yeah, the stargazing. We really like the idea of doing a stargazing night. So I'd have to pick some good weekends. I thought that would be a good event and good way of advertising people want to stay, because stargazing's for night, so that would be quite good. Anyway, we're really open to ideas, so if anyone else has ideas,
yeah,
please send them here, and I'll see if we can do them. I'll do them. Yeah, so that's mostly us, isn't it? Dave as well is thinking. Well, La Roseraie is I'm starting to run it now.
Mm-hmm.
But it's more up my street. We've discovered, to get everything clean and neat than it is Dave's. But we also need more money, so Dave's looking into building his business.
Yep, building my business and
getting some contracts.
And...
Because I think you really miss helping people, and that's a big part of what Dave does with his IT. And I think you enjoy getting back into problem solving, and not just doing the hard graft all around the land.
Yeah, although I quite like the hard graft. It's it can get a bit tedious.
Yeah. Yeah, so there you go, there's our update, and any ideas, please let us know. And if you want a book as well, let us know.
Yes, yeah, let us know. And the summer, as we said, it was, although we only started in quite late, around the 21st of July, it was very, very busy from then till pretty much last weekend. So if anyone wants to book for 2022, go to our website.
You'll need to book early. I have a feeling I think we're going to do really well next year. So if you want to come here for the summer, book it soon. I'll do a big drive for that in the new year as well. That's the best. That's usually when most people book their holidays, when it's the coldest, most miserable. Christmas is over and you need something to look forward to. So but it is going to be busy, so take note now. Now we just need to get through the next few months and hope we survive. I look smiley now, but it's not how it's always been.
No, we'll survive.
We have a well and we have land, so we've got no excuse. But it's who wants to survive? We want to thrive, really.
Yeah.
So we'll get through these next few months, and then we'll be away. We will.
We'll be away.
I know. We thought we'd be there already, but all the money ran out. So got to keep working, and we can do it.
We can do
it. Dave always sounds very infused. And I feel like we can really get the job done when he says, we can do it. But we will. We will. Anyway, I hope everyone else has a lovely summer and that you've enjoyed having an update from us.
Yeah.
And that whatever challenges are coming your way or that you've gotten through recently, that it is bringing some goodness into your lives. I really feel that at the moment because it has been very stressful for us. And the good thing about that is you do have a lot more understanding and compassion for people in difficult times. And it makes me want to create a place where people can rest and recharge even more. Anyway, speak again soon. Please send me ideas, and I will update you as to what events we come up with.
Yes, we will. Yep. Thank you very much, and we will speak to you soon.